superintendents. Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how electric cars are made, step by step.
Every electric car begins its journey at this factory, where essential raw materials arrive to start production. Before an electric car is built, every incoming material is carefully logged and prepared for assembly. The battery is the heart of every electric car, making early inspection absolutely critical. Lightweight aluminum helps every electric car achieve better efficiency and longer driving range.
The strong steel frame gives every electric car the safety and durability drivers depend on.
Inside every electric car, miles of wiring connect power, safety, and smart technology.
Thousands of parts are stored here, each one reserved for a future electric car. Smart logistics keep electric car production flowing smoothly and efficiently.
This precision cutting stage forms the foundation of every electric car structure. This preparation phase ensures every electric car starts its journey with quality and accuracy.
In this stage, raw metal is pressed into precise shapes that will form the body of an electric car.
Every electric car panel is formed with extreme pressure to ensure strength and accuracy.
Automation allows electric car parts to move quickly and safely to the next process.
Controlled cooling strengthens the metal used in every electric car body.
Laser scanners verify that every electric car panel meets exact design standards.
From this control room, engineers ensure electric car production stays perfectly balanced.
Accurate chassis alignment is essential for the safety and stability of an electric car.
Smooth material flow keeps electric car manufacturing efficient and consistent.
Surface treatments protect every electric car from wear and harsh environments. This processing phase shapes the strength, precision, and reliability of every electric car.
This is where separate parts are permanently joined to create the strong body of an electric car.
Robotic precision ensures every electric car body frame is built with consistent strength.
Once welded, the electric car chassis moves forward to receive its core components. The electric motor is the driving force that powers every electric car. The battery pack defines the range, balance, and performance of an electric car. Advanced electronics manage how power flows through every electric car. These suspension systems ensure a smooth and stable ride in every electric car.
Cooling systems protect the electric car battery and motor during demanding conditions.
Interior structures provide safety and comfort inside every electric car.
At this stage, the electric car has fully taken shape and is ready for final assembly. The interior installation stage transforms the electric car into a comfortable driving space.
Advanced digital displays define how drivers interact with an electric car.
These electronic connections control safety, entertainment, and performance in every electric car.
Perfect door alignment ensures safety, insulation, and silence inside an electric car. High-strength glass protects passengers while maintaining visibility in an electric car. Balanced wheels are essential for the smooth and efficient movement of an electric car. Brand identity completes the visual character of every electric car. Software brings intelligence, control, and connectivity to the electric car. Final fastening ensures every electric car meets strict safety standards. This assembly stage marks the completion of the electric car build process.
Every electric car undergoes detailed visual inspection to ensure a flawless exterior finish.
Advanced diagnostics verify that every electric car software system is working perfectly.
Electrical safety testing ensures the electric car operates safely under all conditions.
Dynamic testing confirms that every electric car responds reliably on the road.
Water sealing tests protect the electric car from rain, dust, and harsh environments.
Human inspection adds the final layer of confidence to every electric car. Charging verification confirms that every electric car is ready for real-world use.
Protective packaging ensures the electric car arrives safely at its destination.
Once approved, the electric car is prepared for delivery to customers worldwide. This final moment marks the completion of the electric car manufacturing journey.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.